So this is the instruction video for double exposure. So we want to go to Premiere Pro. And we want to go to New Project. And we want to call this DoubleExp1. And make sure you're going to your Documents folder. So Documents, and then Dump folder. And click Create. Then we need to add a sequence, a file, New Sequence. And we want to call this sequence DoubleExp1. Then we need we need a video out of stock videos, and we need a photo or video out of Photo Booth. So I'm going to get a stock video. So I'm going to go File, Import. I'm going to go to Room 31. Stand by. Room 31. And I'm going to go Stock Video. And I'm going to pick any one of these videos. I've got some Act 1, Act 2, Act 3 videos. These are longer videos. Then I have some shorter videos here from Ebony Splash all the way down to Paramount Rain. Then there's some short movie endings, right? Surfing and Waves. Any of these, right? So pick one. I'm going to actually go to Act 2 and get, Act 3. Which one's this? Nope, I don't want that. Oh yeah, Luke destroys the Death Star. I'm going to get that one. I'm going to import that in. Okay, now I'm going to double click on my video, and my video is quite long. And I only want this video that you're making here on the timeline to be anywhere between 8 and 15 seconds. So this is like 3 minutes here. I just want the part where the Death Star blows up, right about there. So let's see, let's play that over. Okay, so I marked my in. Okay. Boom. Okay. Mark my out after a little while here. Then I want the video only, so I'm going to click, hold, and drag that down to video 1. If you get this, just click Change Sequence Settings to match the video settings, all right? Zoom in. So we're looking at about 10 and a half, almost 11 seconds is what I've got from my video. Now, I need a photo or video to put on top of this, on video 2. So I'm going to go import something from my photos, so File, Import, and go down here to Photos, and let's see, I'm going to go to let's see, Show Options. No, come on now. Where is my oh well, let's see. Let's go with this guy. Import this photo. Okay, and could be also a picture of you. Let's see here. There's another technique I can use. If I can't find my photo booth stuff, I can go here, drag the photo I want to use onto my desktop. Okay, and then go back to Premiere, and I can file import that from my desktop. But you should find your photo booth stuff the way I showed you earlier by just going to Photos. But if you do have something on your desktop that you dragged in, just click on that. And then let's see, is this it? Yes, this is it here. So let me import that. Drag that over here to the top Or if you want to put a video, you can drag the video only here to the top like that, right? Okay. And now I want to drag that out to the length of the end of the video, because it's going to come in at 5 seconds or less. All right. And now I'm ready to blend it. So I'm going to click on the top picture, right? The top video 1, whatever's on video 2. Sorry, whatever's on video 2. I'm going to go up here to Effect Controls. And by the way, I am in editing mode, okay, for the workspaces. I'm going to zoom in to this picture. So I have zoom in and zoom out with this scrubby under scale. And then I have the X and Y above that for position, so I can go up and down with the Y value. Over here on the X value, I can go from left to right, but I want to get it to where I have some just a little bit of headspace, and I'm filling the frame. And then I want to go over here, and if opacity is not twirled open, twirl that open and find blend mode, and first start with multiply. Multiply doesn't work well with the blend of these two photos because there's so much black in the video. So instead, that does look cool on the explosion there. Instead, I'm going to change it. The other option is to go to screen. Okay, and that works better. I could also see that my video does not fill the frame. So I'm going to click on the video. And now I have, under Effect Controls, the X, Y, and scale on the video 1 layer. So I can increase that a little bit. And now play it. So that looks pretty cool like that. Blended. Alright. So basically I'm done with the editing. I just got to actually add a music. So I'm going to go File, Import. Go get some music here. So I'm going to go back to room 31. And let's try that again. Room 31, sorry, I'm on a different computer, so room 31, and I want to go to music, and you can either pick one of these, or you can go into copyright free music, and pick one of these, right? You can change your view to icons, and you can preview the music, right? So let's say I want this one, so I'm going to click import. I know it doesn't really go with the video, but that's okay. Now I can double click this, and let's see, I need 10 seconds, so I can drag the playhead out to right about here, click my out, right? So I'm editing. And I'm going to go to the drag audio only and drag it down. Put it on audio 1. It's a little bit too long, so I'm going to trim it. Just going to drag it in. Okay, so once you see that black line, see that? Just make sure you trim it. You might have to zoom out, like if you drag the whole song in, you might have to drag out, okay, to get to the end of the song. And then, again, if it's way out here, you want to just kind of pull it in. Make sure it matches up with the length of the videos. Make sure everything ends at the same time at 10.5 or almost 11 seconds here. Okay. And last thing I want to do is do a fade on the song. So I'm going to go to my workspaces and go to Effects. And then I'm going to go and twirl open Effects, right? So Effects is open here. I'm going to go to Audio Transitions, Crossfade, any one of these. Constant gain, constant power, constant fade. Just click one. Click, hold, and drag it over the top of the end of audio 1. And then you can hear it fade out at the end. Like that. And that's it. And click the timeline to export. File. Export. Media. Should be called Double Exposure 1. And it needs to go into your Creative Cloud. Click Save. And then click Export. Okay? And then you want to turn this in to Schoology on the assignment. And if you have room, put it on your video page in Wix. All right? Good luck on getting this done. Remember, on these training videos, you can fast forward, rewind, or pause anytime you need.